this shit here. I'm gonna have to get a whole new pipe ran. This shit right here, touching the frame, the old pipe, and the goddamn coil. This shit gotta come out. And he said, goddamn, you gotta cut that shit and let it go straight through the body right here, so they'll sit up higher. And goddamn, finna see what it gonna cost me. Now this shit crazy. I didn't even got the goddamn fuel pump in there nice though. Hey Jay, I should never bought these goddamn pipes from that nigga ass.